Alright, we got one coming up. Yeah, there's one coming up over there. You can see it. You got this? I think he's got it.
A few kilos.
Yeah, you can see him right over there. Kind of assessing the situation. He's not really sure whether to go for it or not. Oh, he's going for it. Alright.
Oh wow, and here comes his fellow friend.
Oh, we got more. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, geez. This is getting messy.
Oh my
This is getting very messy.
Oh my god.
There's been a food shortage lately, and